Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope that you all are fine and safe at your homes. I'm your social studies teacher, and our today's topic is early people. Dear students, this chapter is taken from unit number 6, History and Rights, and our page number is 77. Dear students, open your book, page number 77. Early people are those people who live in old times. They live in early ages because in old times there were no cities and towns, so people live in different places and they come from different places. And in old times they have their own old times, they have their own lifestyle, and some they have their own lifestyle, and that was very hard. Their lifestyle was very hard, but our earth is very old and it is approximately 4.5 million billion old, so we don't know about the exactly human life. When human life begins, we don't know, we don't have an exact idea. So scientists tells us um, that it was over 1 million year ago. Different scientists able to find about early people by studying the tools, weapons, pots, and many other things that they used. First of all are the archaeologists. Archaeologists are the scientists who study things that are very old. They can tell where things were made and how they were used. They use a process called dating to find out the age of very old things like pottery, bones, rocks, and other things can be dated in the laboratory. And second category is anthropologists. Anthropologists are people, are those scientists who study about the mankind, that how people, how human beings behaves. After that, dear students, long time ago there were no cities and there were no villages, so and they have um, and they have no homes, no homes, so people live in caves. केव्स यानी पहले के लोग जो है वो घरों में रहते थे, पत्थरों के अंदर घर बनाकर रहते थे. सो people don't have any idea about the things. They join different kind of stones and they make caves. And people were not civilized, and they don't know how to grow crops and how to make and how to cook food. And people hunt different kind of animals. People hunt different kind of animals, and they also eat different leaves of trees. And they and with the passage of time, people make their life comfortable by inventing different things. The first people did not settle down and they roamed the land hunting and food. They roamed the land hunting for food, and gradually they settle down and they come to know the better ways of all living things and creatures on the earth. So, human beings are the most intelligent and they are able to solve the problems. By the passage of time, gradually those people invent and make different kind of things. They make their life better by making fire, making tools, and making the wheel. First of all is fire. In the early times, people don't know how to cook food, and when they come to know about the fire by rubbing two dry sticks, or by rubbing two heavy stones. And by rubbing two heavy stones, early people come to know there were a fire or a heat. There was a fire or a heat. When early people saw that fire or heat, People come to know that this fire not only gives us a light, but it also gives a heat. So people use fire for making their food, and they start to cook their food, and it makes their life better, and they start to eat tasty food, and it also protects them from different wild animals. Second one, and the important invention is the tools. In start, early people do their work by the help of their fingers and hands, and they carry heavy loads and heavy stones from one place to another. So it was quite difficult to carry those things. So gradually, early people made a roads by the help of different wood. And after that they carry those stones by the help of those rods. Gradually they those people invent club, a bow and arrow, a spear, axe, and rope. And those people make rope by the help of grasshoppers and creepers. And people also come to know how to grow food, because early people don't know how to grow crops. So gradually they come to know how to grow crops. So they not only grow crops, but also they make different pots by the help of clay, and they cook and bake that pots, and they keep their water and food in those pots. After that they invent wheel. Wheel is very important invention. When human begins the first when human beings first began to plant crops, they had to clear the land. प्यारे बच्चों, जब लोगों ने फसलें उगाना शुरू की तो सबसे पहले उन्हें ज़मीन को साफ करना उनके लिए ज़रूरी था। तो वो क्या करते थे? दे बिगेन टू मूव बिग स्टोन्स विद अ लिवर। वो बड़े पत्थरों को जो है वो लिवर की मदद से, जो उन्होंने लकड़ी की मदद से रॉड्स बनाए हुए थे, उससे उन पत्थरों को मूव करते थे। अ लिवर इज़ अ स्ट्रॉन्ग रॉड और अ बार दैट इज़ यूज टू मूव अ लोड बाय यूजिंग फोर्स एट द अदर एंड opposite to the load. Some stones were too big to move easily. यानी वो ज़मीन को साफ करने के लिए क्या करते थे? वो पत्थरों को उन रॉड्स की मदद से एक जगह से दूसरी जगह लेकर जाते थे, लेकिन ये बहुत मुश्किल था। Those people gradually discovered that when the stones was pushed on a few slim logs of wood, it could be moved easily. The logs of wood rolled along the surface of the ground. This gave people the idea for the wheel. यानी जो लकड़ी के लॉग्स होते हैं, जब लकड़ी को काट कर छोटे पीसेस में किया जाता है तो वो लॉग्स की शक्ल अख्तियार कर लेता है। तो जब उन्होंने उन लॉग्स को उन लिवर्स के नीचे रखा, दोनों साइड्स पर रखा, और उसके ऊपर जब पत्थरों को चलाया तो वो बहुत आसानी से एक जगह से दूसरी जगह चले गए। तो इस चीज़ की मदद से लोगों ने व्हील की ईजाद की। Soon they invented an axle as wheel. The axle is a rod. Axle wheel क्या होता है? The axle is a rod that holds the wheels at each of its two ends. यानी एक एक्सल ऐसी गाड़ी है जिसके दोनों किनारों पर व्हील लगा होता है, पहिया लगा होता है, जिसकी मदद से भारी चीज़ों को, पत्थरों को एक जगह से दूसरी जगह लेकर जाना आसान होता है। So dear students, these two inventions changed human life completely. Today it is difficult to imagine the world without wheel. यानी आज के ज़माने में अगर व्हील ना होता तो क्या होता? तो आज के ज़माने में भी लोगों की ज़िंदगी बहुत मुश्किल होती। तो उस ज़माने में जो व्हील की ईजाद है उसने बहुत ज़्यादा काम किया और लोगों की ज़िंदगी को आसान किया। And and those wheels are going to use in different ways, and those wheels are using in vehicles, cars, and different kinds of others transport. Dear students, early people is divided into different periods or ages. These periods are named after the materials used for making tools and weapons. पहले पहले ज़माने के लोगों को जो है वो 3 किस्मों में डिवाइड किया जाता है. They are divided into three kinds or 3 ages. So first age is called Stone Age, second age is called Bronze Age, and third age is called Iron Age. You can see in the picture that in Stone Age people live in caves, and they hunt different animals, and they have axe and different tools. After gradually in the Bronze Age, they make their homes by the help of stones. They grow crops, and they make pots by the help of clay. And then in modern age, people make their homes by the help of cemented bricks, and they have modern kind of inventions for harvesting crops, and they not only invent bows and arrows but also some electric things. So Iron Age is called an electronic age. Dear students, it was all about the early people. I hope that you understand the lecture in a better way. Wish you best of luck. Thank you very much, and Allah Hafiz.